Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we are here to do a cruise unboxing.
Welcome, lovelies, a cruise unboxing. I am so excited.
All these themes that we're thinking of.
A cruise. Okay.
Well, it's time. It's time to start thinking cruise wear.
True.
Resort wear.
True. Yeah.
Christmas is over and now we're free to go.
Yeah, and it's cold.
It is cold and we want to go to the sun.
Let's talk about what we're wearing.
Oh my
First
God,
of all,
you look like
I feel like $1 million.
You look like a movie star.
Really?
I love this skirt,
really?
ladies. I've worn it a few times. There's a few left in the sale, but it is so fabulous.
It's so beautiful. It doesn't do justice on a hanger.
No.
And the fabric too is beautiful.
Gorgeous.
It's luxurious.
It's very luxurious.
It's a jersey. It's
and
gorgeous.
As you know me in my black, but it looks fabulous with black. And this, speaking of cruises, this would be an amazing sweater too.
This is an amazing sweater.
This is the braided Marie Laloon that we got late in this season, but we still have a few left in, I think, beige and maybe navy, but I think the black looks stunning. And
I wore it with a mesh top, but you can wear this with a little black tank.
Yeah.
And it would look like very summery, but you have a cover up.
Yeah.
And
a beautiful scarf from Cal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful colors.
Gorgeous earrings from Marie. Marie,
we just have to say Marie now. She's like a
Wouldn't
friend.
it be nice to meet her? She seems
I would
like
love to meet her.
Vibrant woman.
She looks very creative.
Yeah.
Well, she is unbelievably creative.
Yeah. And we can't wait to get more in. It's just beautiful.
Yeah.
And all you lovelies love it just as much as we do. That's so easy. I was feeling for my earrings, but I'm wearing Siriglio here.
Oh, yeah.
Siriglio. No necklace, just I like the neck.
Yeah.
So this is the Lousje Bean one size tuck sweater, ladies. Vest, sorry. And we did it in the navy with the whole different paneling here, and the back is plain black. And I have it draped over our long sleeve A-line Lousje Bean
that's
dress.
what that is.
Yeah.
Wow.
So wonderful.
Talk about comfy.
Piece, yes, so comfortable. But it's such a wonderful piece to put over this dress. Like that's
exactly,
sort of our vision for designing it, and vests and all that to go over shawls. So cute. Yeah. All right. Are you ready, ladies? So we got in Creations, which is a fun line that we've been carrying for many years. And we have some fun pieces that you'll see why we are talking about cruise wear. But tomorrow we will be styling them up for you with different pieces in the boutique so you can see them. So watch out for that. But without further ado, here we go. Our favorite silhouette, ladies.
Beautiful.
The bubble.
And one of our favorite colors.
Gorgeous color. Absolutely gorgeous. Pockets, which is amazing.
Yeah.
We always love pockets in dresses. Nice light fabric with some texture to it, which I love as well.
It's seersucker
It's
type.
a gorgeous color.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that look beautiful with a denim jean jacket?
This dress has beautiful. Did you see that this is a seam?
Yeah.
So that it's designed to make that little bubble, but subtle.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Okay,
so that is in that color, which I would say is like a purpley, I don't know.
Oh, fuchsia, purple.
Orchid?
Yeah, orchid. Orchid is a perfect.
So they also had this navy, which I think is gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of a smoky navy.
A smoky navy. Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. This piece. So this sizing for this collection, ladies, it starts at a small and it goes to an extra large. And those fit pretty true to size. I know me and Lousje would be a small in those. And it would be like generous, nice fitting. So just so you know for sizing, we have all our measurements too on the website. So hopefully that helps. But if you have any questions ever, please let us know. But here's a classic from them that I feel like they do so well.
They do so
well.
well.
Split fabric.
Yeah, the split fabric.
Again,
and the design as well.
Yeah, the design, the crinkle in the fabric, which we love.
Yeah, the little mandarin color.
With this beautiful, one side of the zip is black and then fuchsia.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah,
that is so cool.
They like to play with.
Yeah,
gorgeous. Nice light fabric, great for travel.
Pockets, I'm sure.
Pockets, yeah.
Yeah, really,
it is a poly
really
blend,
fun.
ladies, but it's nice and light.
Really.
And you can easily wash and wear too while you're traveling, right?
Yeah, and this is a dress length, so you don't need anything else.
Yeah.
Just your little sandals.
Yeah, beautiful.
Awesome.
You could wear this mesh top too under it if you like.
Yes.
You know? Yeah. Okay, so here is a tunic.
Ooh,
Love this piece. Absolutely love this.
So cool.
The Hexagon.
Oh, Tessa,
I know.
adorbsy.
I know, and it comes in at the bottom. So that's a size small again, up to extra large, and beautiful collar here, and cool square buttons. It's awesome. Beautiful. These pieces are so
really
beautiful.
Cool.
And great price point too, ladies. So we have one style left in 2 colorways, and this is like, we always talk about this, but this is me and Lousje's favorite.
Oh yeah.
Black, white with a splash of red.
Yes.
And you lovelies love it so much too. I mean, we are all on the same wavelength of,
sure.
Designs and styles.
And the look, right?
And the look.
It's a look.
Yeah.
And a little wire in the collar.
Wire in the collar. Love the high-low. That's so flattering on. Very cool. And then, ladies, we had to do it in the black, of course.
Of course. Oh, it's dynamite.
So dynamite.
Dynamite.
So I tried on the samples, ladies, and I just want to let you know, in this shirt, I went up a size to a size medium. Lousje would be fine in the small, but just so you know, look at the buttons too.
Yeah.
Cool, eh? They're like
so many little details here.
With the red.
Adorable.
Black.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
So I suggest just for the arms here, just to size up. You're not going to lose it here. It's kind of nice to have a little more flow.
Yeah.
But again, the measurements are on the website for all these pieces, just so you know. And watch out tomorrow. We're going to style these up. We cannot wait. I'm excited.
Very exciting.
With all our beautiful pieces in the boutique.
Yeah.
And well, we hope you enjoy our unboxing so far. I know Grisa's it's on its way. Ding, ding, ding. So, and I know it takes about a week to get in from Lithuania, but then we'll be unboxing it for you in a few weeks. So that's so exciting. All right, lovelies, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always,
keep on smiling.